Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to cancel your Apex hosting subscription in 2025, I have got you covered. In this quick video, I will walk you through the exact step you need to follow to successfully end your subscription and avoid those surprise charges. First thing first, head over to the Apex WHMCS billing area. Just go to billing.apexminecrafthosting.com. This is where everything's begin. Once you are logged in, look for your active service. Find the one you want to cancel and submit a cancellation request. It's a simple process. Just follow the prompt and make sure you confirm the request at the end. Now, if you used PayPal to pay, this part is important. Check your PayPal account for any active subscription tied to Apex Hosting. Apex Hosting does attempt to cancel these automatically through their system, but it's not guaranteed. So there's the deal. You are personally responsible for the canceling the PayPal subscription from your end. If you skip this step, PayPal might keep charging you even after your service is terminated. When you submit the cancellation, you will get two options. One, limited termination. These steps the service right away. Or two, end of billing cycle. This keeps your service active until the end of your current paid period. Choose the one that fits your situation best. And that's canceling Apex hosting in 2025 is pretty straightforward if you follow these steps. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this. See you in the next one.